Let's go.
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's going to be a makeup video, so let me go ahead and jump right in it. I just showed you my Thayers, I can't say it, witch hazel to kind of cleanse my face and moisturize. A lot of people be like, well, why are you using that? Because exactly what I said, it moisturizes and cleanses the face. Here I'm using my E.L.F Primer to do my foundation routine. I'm gonna wipe that all over my face, patting it in so that we can have a nice even coat and very mattifying finish. Here next I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible in 112 Cocoa foundation. It's matte. I love this foundation because when blended right and I use my sponge, it's the perfect consistency. I mean, it lays well, it looks nice, and even if you have like a natural oily, skin, this not only makes it look nice and dewy, but still matte. Only if you have, combination of oily skin, this is the perfect foundation. Now, I know a lot of people like using brushes. Me, I like using sponges. For me, the blending is perfect. You got to know how to blend, and I feel like the only way you can do that is with a sponge. So here I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in Almond, Walnut, and I believe it's Caramel. And I just do like a little triangle underneath my eyes because I want to give my face more dimension, but still a nice sucked in contour. So I'm going to blend that in. And one thing about having a nice foundation and a nice makeup look, you need to blend. Don't just pat and then move on to it. You need to blend as well as you can, where you can't see it anymore, no harsh lines or anything. So continue to blend. That's the key to having the perfect concealer and foundation routine is blending. Also, your skincare is a must too. So with me, my skincare is Cetaphil and a nice witch hazel on my face. So I'm now going to contour using my black opal with my nose. I'm going to contour my nose with my black opal. But like I said, you need a nice face routine. Mine is very simple with Cetaphil, and I just do the Cetaphil scrub day and night. And because of my skin, that's the best. That's kind of what I can use. So I'm basically blending that all in with my little brush, and then I'm going to go back with my sponge to clean up the sides because I want my contour and my nose to look very snatched together and not harsh. So I'm going to use my Juvia's Place. Yes, I love this powder, y'all. It literally, they ran out, and thank God just last week they came back in stock with more inventory, so I ordered 2 more. And I can't say the name, but it starts with a K, and I love this stuff. Besides my Fenty Beauty pouting, I love this stuff. So as you see, I'm going to basically bake this while I finish the rest of my face. Everybody's makeup routine is different. Mine is most definitely different, so don't critique mine. How you do yours, and how I do mine is how I do mine. So this is the Juvia's Place concealer in Cocoa. This is the darkest, this is like the 3rd darkest shade they have. So I'm going to basically contour my cheeks and my forehead with this, and then underneath my chin, but I think I kind of forgot to do that, but it's all the same and it's still going to come out how I want it to. So like I said, I make sure I blend, because baby, you want to look snatched. You don't want to look like, you just got paste on your face. Yeah, y'all, I'm bumping, okay? So here I am using my Juvia's Place palette. Yes, this is my favorite one, y'all. I got 2 of these. Wouldn't y'all believe they actually did accidentally sent me 2 of these by accident? So yeah, it's dope. I love it. I use this to contour my entire face. I use those 6 colors to kind of snatch in my face, to bronze and to highlight. I know a lot of people be like, why are you doing this thing so backwards? Like I said, no, how you do your makeup is how you do yours. How I do mine is how I do mine. And I have my routine and it always comes out perfect. Like I said, I did it for weddings and baby, it was dope. So make sure you blend. Even when you're like buffing that into your skin, you still need to blend. For me, I don't want it to be too harsh, but I still want it to be noticeable. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows next. One thing I realized about my eyebrows is it does take a whole lot, because some days I'll be matching. They'll be sisters, you know, identical, and some days they'll be fraternal. So it just depends on how I feel. Today, I just wanted a quick look because we were gathering with family and friends. So I didn't think it'll be just really noticeable. Plus, you can clean it up with your concealer. So it's no big deal. Oh, do y'all like my rose? Oh, that's the Juvia's Place concealer, and I think that's in caramel. Now watch how this snatches my face together, baby. Yes. Now I haven't fully got my eyebrow routine down, but trust and believe, it's a work in progress. But your girl still gonna look snatched at the end. Okay, I need to go ahead and tell y'all, I'm really upset. I lost the continuation of this video. I am so mad that I lost the rest of this video where y'all can't see me finish my face, but you're definitely going to see the finished product. All I did was did my eyeshadow and I highlighted my face. I wiped off the excess powder, and you're just going to see the end results. I'm so upset. I'm so sorry, y'all, that I lost the video. It's my fault. I was trying to put everything together in one place and end up deleting the video by accident. But here's a finished look. Please believe in my next video you will see me beat my face and talk to you, because I just feel like this is so much fun to do with you guys. Now look at this gladiator glory. Esnes. Yes. Okay, if you don't know, this is the headband wig from Nia Wigs, and I did show you this in my previous video. This wig is bomb. So if you are looking for this wig, it ranges for $100 to $200. Yes, this one's $200, and it's 24 inches of human hair, baby. Yes, it curls, and you can switch out each and every headband that comes with it, or add your own, your very, very own. So I love this wig. Here you see me just flat iron it, but yes, you see that face is beat to the gods. Okay, it's beat into the gods to my likable standards. All right, so watch this slow-mo, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. Please come back for more. It's been fun being real. I shall see y'all in my next one. Bye.